In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign in to your chess.com account so you can start playing matches, solving puzzles, and improving your rating right away. Whether you are a total beginner who just created an account or a returning player looking to jump back into the world of online chess, navigating the login process is the very first step to success. Chess.com is the world's most popular platform for the game, and they offer several different ways to access your profile, which we will cover in depth today. This guide is updated for the latest interface to ensure you don't run into any technical hurdles. If this video helps you get back on the board, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more chess tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's get started with the process. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer and navigate to chess.com/login. You can also just go to the main homepage and look for the login button in the navigation menu, but going directly to the login URL is the fastest way. Once the page loads, you will see a clean interface with a few different text fields. In the very first field, you need to type your username or the email address associated with your account. It is important to ensure there are no typos here, as even a small mistake will prevent you from moving forward. Moving on to the second field, go ahead and type your password. Just like with the username, make sure your caps lock isn't on by accident, as passwords are case sensitive. Once both your credentials are entered, simply click the large green continue button. If your information is correct, you will be taken straight to your personalized dashboard where you can see your current rating and active games. Now, if you prefer a faster way to log in without remembering a specific password for this site, chess.com offers a few convenient alternatives. On the login screen, you will see icons for Google, Apple, and Facebook. If you originally signed up using one of these platforms, you can simply click the corresponding icon. For example, clicking the Google icon will open a secure pop-up window where you can select your Google account. This is a great way to keep your accounts linked and save time in the future. Once you click your preferred social login and authenticate, the site will automatically log you in. It really is that simple. If you ever have trouble with your password, remember, there is a forgot password link right below the login fields to help you recover your account via email. Don't let a lost password stop you from practicing your opening theory or competing in tournaments. I recommend bookmarking the login page so you can jump into a game whenever you have a few minutes of free time. Once you are logged in, take a moment to check your notification bell for any game challenges or messages from friends. And that is it. You have successfully signed in to chess.com and are ready to play. If this video helped you out today, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more helpful guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.